47 rabbits. That is what just arrived at AGRICDECK Homestead. 7 matured buck, 10 matured female, and 30 young females. In this video, I'll show you everything it cost us to bring this at our homestead. No clickbait, no hype. 51,550. By the end of this video, you will know whether rabbit farming is worth your money in South Africa. Dear viewers, welcome back to AGRICDECK. If you've been following us, you will know that we don't just talk farming. We build it, test it, and show you the real numbers. The chickens are laying, the tunnels are producing, the goats are going. But we kept asking ourselves, what is the fastest way to produce protein on a small piece of land and also have manure for our produce? The answers kept coming back to rabbits. Here's where most farmers get it wrong. They chase cattle, they chase goats, big animals, big land, big waiting time. A cow takes 18 to 24 months to reach slaughter weight. A rabbit, 60 to 90 days. A single mature doe can produce 40 to 60 kits per year. Multiply that by our breeding group, and you are looking at 400 to 600 rabbits annually on a piece of land smaller than a tennis court. Choose New Zealand white. Why? Large litters, fast goats. They produce 8 to 12 kits per kidling. Industry standard for meat production. Don't experiment with fancy breeds when you are starting. Start with what works. Now, I need to be honest with you. When these rabbits arrived, I was nervous. Not because I doubted the business. I've done the math, but because livestock is alive. These aren't tomato seedlings you can replace at the nursery. Every single one of these animals is counting on us to get the setup right. And that pressure, that's what separates a hobby from a business. The rabbits came from a commercial breeder. We visited 5 different operations before choosing. Now, here's what arrived. 17 mature rabbits, proven breeders, 350 rands each. These are the backbone of our production. Already kidling, already producing. 30 does at 3 months, 300 rands each. They will enter the breeding program within the next 4 to 8 weeks. We are building the pipeline now. Let me show you where they live. We source our cages from FRD Poultry in Germiston. 3 complete units at 9,600 rands per unit. And before you think that's expensive, let me show you what's included. Each unit comes with the multi-tier hanging cage, feeding trays, nipple drinkers, and the complete water supply system, header tank, PVC piping, everything. You bolt it together, connect water, and it's ready for rabbit. Each unit contains 16 rabbits. Why cages over colony? 3 reasons. Disease control. Isolate a sick rabbit immediately. Breeding control. You know exactly which buck service which doe. Record keeping. Each cage has a card. Each rabbit has a history. At 9,600 rands per unit, this is an investment in management, not just housing. Yes, every cent. Cages, 3 units, 28,800. FRD Poultry, Germiston. 3 complete multi-tier hanging cage systems. Each unit includes feeding trays, nipple drinkers, all the full water supply system, header tank, piping, everything at 9,600 per unit. That's the single biggest line item, and honestly, it should be. Your housing is not where you cut corners. Breeding stock, 14,950. 17 mature proven breeders at 350 each. 30 young does at 3 months, 300 each. We bought youth because we are building a pipeline, not a quick flip. Housing structure, 4,300. The roofing shade, cloth and framework to protect the cages from the sun and rain. Rabbits cannot handle direct heat. This was not negotiable. Transport and logistics, 1,500. Moving 47 live animals from the breeder to the homestead. Feedstock, 1,000 rand. Initial 4 weeks of pellet and hay to get us through the settling in period. Miscellaneous, 1,000 rand. Add it up, 51,550. That is what it costs to start a commercial scale rabbit operation in South Africa with 47 animals. Not 500,000 rands like cattle, not 100,000 rands like goats, just over 55,000 rands, and you are in business. And that is because we are even starting at a commercial level. So what does this actually earn? Each mature doe, 6 liters per year. Average 8. 17 mature does by 6 liters by 8 kits. That is 816 kits per year. Budget 10% mortality. That is cage system realistic. Roughly 730 marketable rabbits per year. That's about 60 per month. Ramping up to our target of 80 to 120 per month once the young does join the program. At maturity, 8 to 12 weeks, each rabbit dresses out at 1.5 to 2.5 kilograms. Market price in South Africa, which is 80 rands to 180 per rabbit, depending on weight and channel. Direct to consumer is higher. Restaurant wholesale is steadier. Our projected monthly growth is 9,600 to 21,600 with an initial CAPEX of 51,550. We are looking at a payback period of between 3 to 6 months. 3 things we learn that I need you to take it seriously. 1, get the housing set up or build them before ordering the rabbits. We nearly made that mistake because we're desperate. We went to several farms and negotiated for rabbit without even providing for the system. So it's very important for you to get your housing ready before ordering the rabbit. Number 2, make sure you buy from reputable breeders. There are thousands of breeders around the country, but you must visit different breeders to check the history of the rabbit, the source of the rabbit, and make sure you are not buying from the same parents, because inbreeding in rabbit farming is unforgiving. So please check the history of the rabbit and the history of the breeders before ordering. 3, plan your market carefully before beginning breeding. It's very important for you to know where you are going to sell your rabbit before starting the breeding. We made sure we discuss with some buyers and consumers before getting the rabbit in our farm. What do you think? Will you invest 51,550 rands in a rabbit operation, or Do the numbers not add up? Please drop your message in the comment section. I read every message, especially the one that disagree with me. This is what AGRICDECK is about. We don't just tell you farming is possible. We show you. We spend the money. We make the mistakes. We do the math. So when you start your own farm, you are not starting blind. The rabbit project is live. Updates coming on the first kidling, the first sales. And honestly, whatever does not go according to plan. Because real farms, real results, real lessons. And one thing is very important for us. One of the reasons why that got us captivated into the rabbit business is this. Apart from the meat aspect of the rabbit, we are going to be producing a lot of urine for our vegetable. The urine are going to be used for liquid fertilizer in our farm. And the poop are one of the best manure in the world. Reason they are cool manure. They can be applied directly into the plant. Unlike chicken manure or other animal manure, they don't burn the plant because they are cool manure. So which means they could be applied directly into the plant. Thank you for watching this video. If you got some value, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who has been planning to start a farm but doesn't know how to do it. Until then, see you on the next one.